I have got an unboxing for you guys. Let me sit down. I am launching a brand new collection very soon. I actually wanted to launch it on the 19th of April, which is my birthday, but I don't think that's happening. And it's only not happening because I have decided to actually extend the collection, and I'm really excited. So the collection, I'm going to share the name with you guys. It's going to be called the Pumla G. No, I think I stuck with the Pumla collection, and it's named after my mummy dearest. And it's a completely different aesthetic to the juxtaposition collection because it is a little bit more of like a spring summer collection, despite the fact that I'm talking to you guys about it in March and I told you that it's not ready, but we'll get there. We do have some dresses that are ready and waiting to go, and now we are actually including a couple more pieces. So on Alibaba.com I actually placed a sample order for some fabrics. Wait, I haven't even introduced myself or this channel. Hi guys, my name is Tadii G, and this channel takes you along the journey of me building my clothing brand. And today's video is a journey video. Finally, I feel like I haven't actually spoken to you guys about my journey into building my brand in a while. It's just been tips, tricks and gems and all that good stuff. So guys, if you're interested in this kind of content or you want to see me create and build this collection, then please be sure to subscribe. The subscribe button will be either down here or down here, so click it. You don't even have to click out the video, just click it. And also please like this video if you're into this kind of content. It helps me reach more people that are also into this kind of content. So yeah, definitely has my dress on it. Here is my sample. It actually arrived on Monday, I believe, and I have been looking at it and not opening it just so I can open it on video. I actually have another sample coming, which I'll do another video for, so make sure you're subscribed to get the notification for that video. This is actually from a company that I haven't used before. I'm going to link the company in the description if you're interested. I decided to try out a different company and they were offering free samples so long I just paid for the shipping. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna open this with you guys here now. I'm kind of nervous. My back hurts. It's really important, guys, to get samples for your brand. In the past, I have rushed the process and not bothered with samples, but I've definitely learned my lesson and I'm taking it slow, you know? And I'm also struggling to open this bag. I should have brought scissors with me. Oh, there's another bag in the bag. Move back a bit. Oh. And here we go, guys. So I ordered a sample of my print, and it's on viscose and it's also on cotton drill. They've actually also sent me some like swatches here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. I might have to film this part after when I get closer to the camera. But yeah, they've sent me like some swatches. Okie dokie. I'm gonna start off with the cotton drill. So the spec of the cotton drill, can definitely smell the ink. It's 255 GSM and it's 100% cotton. This is what it looks like. Now let me have a proper look what it looks like. Okay. I feel like it could be better. Definitely. Let's have a look at the viscose. I like the texture of the viscose, definitely. I was worried about that because before we used silk, but now we've decided to switch to viscose. So I definitely like the texture of the viscose. Do I like the print? Do you know what it is? It's because I have this printed already. So it's like a different tone to the one that I have printed already, and I feel like that's probably what's like putting me off a bit. The fabric itself is really nice. Let me read the spec for you. It's viscose rayon cavalry twill, and the composition is 66% viscose and 34% rayon. It's got a yarn count and it's got some numbers, don't know what that means, and the weight is 180 GSM. It's a really good weight and it's a really nice fabric. It's just the print is a little bit like meaty, perhaps it might be in my best interest to actually send them a swatch of my printed fabric that I already have and see whether they can actually color match it. But I'm really happy with the actual fabric itself. I feel like it's really nice. I'm looking forward to seeing the other sample from the other lady that I've actually used before, but I haven't used them for this print. I've used them for my Kai set. They're the ones that printed my Kai set. But overall, I am not too disappointed with this, and I feel like it's a good size sample. I can probably make something out of this for myself. Should I do a video on that, guys? Shall I make something? Because basically the idea of this fabric, I want to create a skirt and also corset, and I do have some sewing skills. Maybe, we'll see. That's my little unboxing for you guys. This is a super short video, I know, but I just wanted to unbox this on camera for you guys to kick off this process of this brand new collection that I'm gonna be releasing. I definitely feel like the viscose is printed a lot better than the cotton drill. There's some hues in this that I'm not really enjoying. It almost feels like mistakes in the print. I don't know. I'll show my mum when I get home and see what she thinks. And yeah, let me do a close-up for you guys. Can you focus here, please? I love this print so much, but it needs to be executed properly. As you can see, it has like my brand in there. Shwa shwa. I am really in love with the fabric itself, so I'm happy. I'm happy that I actually went with viscose instead of breaking my bank account and go with silk again. It's serving, it's given. Let me show you the fabric swatches that they sent me as well. So this is the name of the company. I cannot pronounce that, but these are the swatches they sent me, and it has like the spec. So for example, this one is, that's the spec. And I'm really happy they sent me these, because it's like if I was unsure about the fabric that they printed, at least I have like these fabrics to choose from, and then like I would then ask them to print my print on this. Depending on how I feel about the other company's print technique and the fabric that they give me will help me decide on which company to move forward with, and then I will send that company probably like my actual fabric swatch from the fabric tonnage that I actually like, and then we'll probably go from there. But yeah, we are at the start of a very exciting process that I cannot wait to share with you guys, so please be sure to be subscribed so that you can join me on this journey. And yeah, I will have this company linked in my description. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to click this button here and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my very next video. Bye.